myself Brunda, and I have completed my qualification as Bachelor of Computer Applications from Rajajinagar College, Hospital, and my native is Hospital. And I have been joined Jspiders Rajajinagar on Jan, and I have been placed on July. And this is a platform where we can learn easily and efficiently. The trainers are very supportive and friendly, and they are teachers very good and make us to understand very easily. I thank each and every faculty members who have been taught me all the programming, logical and aptitude and core Java subjects, and which made me to clear the round successfully. I thank all the HRs who have given us support and have been in a friendly nature with me, and I have been placed as a backend developer with a 3 lakhs per annum package.